Most local businesses are losing thousands of dollars a month just because they don't have a real website. And the wild part is you can fix that with AI in under 10 minutes, even if you've never coded a thing in your life. In this video, I'm going to show you how to help local small business owners get more leads and more customers, and how you can copy my exact system to start earning $2,000 to $3,000 per client, even if you're starting from scratch. This is hands down one of the simplest, most beginner-friendly ways to make money online. You don't need to build a brand, you don't need to grind for months on end, and you definitely don't need to know how to code a website. All you need is a simple, repeatable system to find local businesses that need your help, spin up a smart AI website in minutes, and customize it just enough to make them look like rock stars. This is going to help them get seen on Google, capture leads, and make them more money. And the best part, I have nothing to sell. No courses, no coaching program, no upsells. All I ask is that you like the button to show it some love, share this with a family member or friend that needs real ways to make money online, and comment free course below. And when you do that, I'll send over my free beginner-friendly course with all my templates, my scripts, and my step-by-step system to land clients and get paid. No fluff, no gatekeeping, just real systems that work even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. I don't know about you, but anytime I need work around the house done, I'll instantly go to Google Maps and type in plumber near me, electrician near me, depending on the problem that I'm having. Then I'll scroll through the listings and look for the one with the most reviews, click their website, and make sure there's an easy way to contact them. If they don't have a website, I'm going to scroll on to the next one immediately. And this is where the gold mine actually happens. You're actually going to use Google Maps to identify the businesses that need your help, that have no website, have no automations, have no online presence. It's a golden opportunity for you to step in and solve that problem for them. So I quickly did a search, plumbers near me, and this is in Buffalo, New York, upstate New York. And if you just scroll down, you'll see there's a website here. You'll see the reviews, and the fourth one down, Syracuse Plumbing LLC. If you click on it, there is no website. So they have decent amount of reviews, 53, 4.6, but there is no online presence as far as contacting them through a website. So this would be a perfect company to write down and come back to, or maybe open up in a new tab. So I just found 4 in a matter of 2 minutes. I would open up each and every single one of them, make sure I have their contact information. You could even put this into a Google sheet to just keep things organized. And then from there, here's the next step. Next, you're going to open up this simple software, which again, I will link below with my free course, and then you'll get a 30-day free trial. So it costs you nothing to get started. And then on the side here, you're just going to go to sites. And this is where you can actually build out a website for certain businesses. Up top, you're going to click website, and I already have one created for a bathroom remodel, but I'm going to show you kind of how easy it is to find a template. So since we're looking at plumbers, and you can tell, these are quality website templates. So there's a couple that you can do here. There's a city plumber, and this is just a high quality website that obviously has some automations to it, looks super professional, is going to build that trust for that client. And it's going to eventually help them rank in Google so that when someone is doing the exact method I just said, there's a problem at their house, they go to Google, they look at reviews, a website's going to help them rank much higher on Google. And you want to be in that top 3 to 5 as a business owner so that you can get more leads coming in and more sales. And that's what you can help these business owners do. And like I said, a lot of these service business owners, plumbers, electricians, carpenters, contractors, they're great at their craft, but they're not very good with the business side of things and marketing and sales. So this is where you can come in, even if you have no skills, no coding, you can take this template and run with it. Super simple, drag and drop. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So you would basically take this and let's just choose template. So it's going to add it to the software. And once it's loaded up, you'll see how easy it is to basically replace the logo and just customize it a little bit with the services that they offer. And then you can pitch this as a pre-made, done for you website for the company. So you could just select this and go into your assets. You could upload their logo there. So then you have their logo. You can change out the coloring, put their name, email address, location, possibly put a picture of them behind them. You would customize this. You'd spend maybe 10, 20 minutes customizing it, making it look super professional, have it working well so that you can then take this website and pitch it to the business owner that you already have a pre-made website that you built them free. And if you just want them to take a look at it. And I'll go through all the scripts. I'll go through an email script, a phone script, and a text message script that you can use. Again, this was a kind of a remodeling contractor specifically for kitchens. So you would just change out the logo here, kind of a better picture in the background, and you would just, change out the colors and make it customized to that business owner. And then an example of one that I did is Rose Cleaning Co. And this is a company and a client of mine that I personally helped create their smart AI website with. And this client paid me $3,000 for the smart website to basically have them rank higher in Google and get more leads coming in. And we have service pages, and it was pretty easy to do using a template and super simple. I have no coding experience. Trust me when I say you don't need tech skills. I am horrible at tech. But doing 1 hour-long Zoom call, going back and forth, making changes live with her, we were able to knock this out and have an awesome website. And another cool thing about these websites, obviously it's going to build that like, trust, and know when someone's searching and finds their website and it looks professional and they can reach out with a quick number. You can also add on kind of a follow-up sequence. So for Rose Cleaning Co., I basically made this opt-in page where people can get a quote quote. And then on the back end, I create an automation that automatically follows up with that client. So now you're not only capturing leads, but you're nurturing them and helping them make more sales. So it's an easy sell, and it's an amazing investment. You can just look at the testimonial that our customer put up right here. You can also go through and find ones that need a website update, and you can quickly tell if it's a good website or not. You know, this one could definitely use some work. You can kind of tell when you land on a website if it's a professional done for you one or not. All right, so again, step one is finding those local businesses on Google Maps that don't have a website. Step two is opening up that simple software and finding a template that works for the type of home service business that you're working for. Step three is going to be customizing it with their logo, their services, and possibly their colors and branding. And then step four is understanding the value that these websites are going to bring. So not only are they going to look way more professional, they're also going to help them rank in Google, which is going to get them more leads. And then we can also put a follow-up sequence and automation behind those leads to nurture them and get them more sales. So at the end of the day, you're going to help them with the biggest problem that they have, which is getting more leads and nurturing those leads. So now step five is how to actually pitch this and price it out to these local business owners. So you have a website that you've taken 10 to 20 minutes to customize for this business owner. And now how do you actually reach out to them to get them interested in looking at the website and making it a super simple sale for you? Create these yourself with an AI, or again, my free course is going to have all my templates, scripts, and systems to help you get started. So my phone script here is really simple. Hey, is this the business owner manager? Awesome. I'll keep this super quick. My name is Kelan. I specialize in helping local businesses get more leads and customers using a smart AI website. I actually built you a free website mockup for your business and wanted to send it over so you could take a quick look. No cost, no strings attached. What's the best email to send that to? So you get right into it. It's punchy. You're not like wasting their time. Business owners are busy. They're probably already on a job. So you want this to be quick and easy, super simple value. And you already created the free website. So they don't have a website. They know that they need their online presence and they don't have the time or experience to do that. And you can fill that void and really solve that problem pretty quickly. And then if they ask questions, you just say it's a simple lead generation website designed to help you show up on Google, collect customer info, and convert visitors into paying clients. I'd love your feedback on it. So this is just your foot in the door. You're offering free value to this business owner. Why would they say no to a free website that's going to help them grow their business, capture more leads, rank on Google? It's a simple sale. Obviously, cold calling on your phone is a little bit intimidating. So if you're not ready for that, you can also do cold email. This one's easy, free AI website for, and then it would be just your plumbing and heating company name. So it'd just be, hey, owner name, I came across your business online and wanted to offer something really valuable, no strings attached. I created an AI powered website that helps local businesses get more leads, show up better on Google. I actually put together a free homepage sample for your business so you can see what's possible. If you're open to take a look, just reply and I'll send it over. You want them to engage. You don't want to just send over the link to the free website. You want to have them reply so you know that they're interested and you get that conversation going, because that's their first yes. Them replying is saying, yes, I'm interested. If you just send it over, they'd probably take a quick look and then, they'd get busy and they'd forget about it. So getting that reply is going to be huge, because then you're going to have that thread and they're going to be way more apt to respond and just start to build that relationship. And then depending on the type of business owner, if a text makes more sense, hey, this is Kelan, just wanted to reach out. I build AI websites for local businesses to help them get more leads on Google. I actually built you a free sample for the website name to show what's possible. Want me to send it over. Super simple and easy. If the business owner's out on a job, they can see it later at that night. Text messages definitely don't go unread, especially if you're a business owner. He's definitely going to open it, or she's definitely going to open it. So a text message could be really simple and easy to get that conversation going. And again, if you know business owners locally that don't have a website, or you know them personally, or it's a business that you've used in the past and realized they didn't have a website, if you have that connection already, that's going to really increase your chances of being able to land these clients and create their website for them and just provide tons of value to their business. So as you can see, this is definitely a legitimate, easy way to make money online this year. And again, you don't need any experience or tech skills. I just laid out the entire system for you. You're going to find local businesses on Google that don't have a website. You're going to use that software to find a template that it can use for that type of business. You're going to customize it just a little bit, change out their logo, change out their branding, the services they might have, and then you're going to pitch it to the client and land them as a client. And then as soon as they see the website and they're like, absolutely, this is awesome, you can say, awesome, I can set it live today. It's just going to cost you $1,500, $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, depending on how intricate the website is, how many pages there are, how much back and forth there's going to be. But it's a super simple sale because they've already said yes to seeing it. They're already enjoying it. They want it live. It's going to be a simple fix in their business, and they're going to pay you thousands and thousands of dollars to do so. If you're excited about this opportunity and you found this video valuable, go ahead and hit the like button, and then make sure you comment free course below. I'll make sure to send you a message to access the free course that's got our templates, our scripts, all the systems that we use to land these clients and make these websites for them. I want to help you jumpstart this as quickly as possible and help you start making money this week. And the craziest thing about this is just the start. There's so many ways to help these local businesses, and I share all the secrets in my next video on how to make money with Google Maps. I'll see you over there. God bless. Peace.